Speaking fluency for everyday conversations. Need, and add a verb, the past is needed. Uses 1. If you need something, you must have it in order to live or in order to do something. 2. Used to say that someone should do something or that something should be done. Examples for the first use. Are you sure that you have everything you need? Example for the second use. She needs to see a doctor. Need plus a verb or need plus something. The common pattern is need to do something and need a or an something. For examples, you need to make reservations for the appointment. I'm working on holidays because I need the money. You need a background in computer programming for this job. You don't really need a car. Another pattern, something needs doing, or cleaning, or fixing, etc. Someone should do it, or clean it, or fix it. For example, the windows need cleaning. Need as a noun, meaning when something must be done, especially to improve the situation. For examples, an urgent need to improve teaching standards, the need for stricter safety regulations. Need can also mean something you must have in order to have a normal life. For example, children's education needs. Needy, adjective, is having very little food or money. For example, a needy family. Needless, adjective, not necessary and often easily avoided. For example, needless suffering.